When you can downregulate or upregulate the human brainwave function on demand at will without drugs, you can literally reset your biorhythm. So anybody who's been using NuCalm for years knows that there is no jet lag when you use NuCalm as a tool, either on the plane, when you land in the time zone. Jet lag is a physiological negative consequence of time zone travel. And the more time zones you travel, the more challenges you have, whether it's digestive, whether it's sleep, whether it's ability to amplify when you need high energy. NuCalm is not transcending the time continuum. We're not changing anything about time zone travel. What we're doing is we are going to your body and your biorhythm, and we're resetting all of your biorhythms. So in travel and in sport, I think as fans, we don't really pay attention to all the challenges associated with that lifestyle. We aspire to be an athlete. We say, wow, their life is amazing. There are a tremendous amount of challenges. And the one that you bring up is the travel. And the travel schedule of constantly all over, you're never really regulated. And that mental lethargy also leads to physical lethargy and also leads to injury and slows down healing. NuCalm is an incredibly valuable, predictable tool for balancing your autonomic nervous system. What does that mean? It means your stress response versus your rest response. And when you are traveling, you are putting a lot more stress on the mind and the body. We are a tool to say, no, we're going to balance that for you. So we have a very proven protocol. In fact, we've been working with the Air Force and commercial pilots and logistic pilots for more than 14 years, helping them with pilot fatigue, with jet lag, and being able to perform flying through the middle of the night. That's not good for the body. We have a diurnal process. We like to sleep at night. So NuCalm is not just good for the athlete. It's been good for the commercial airline industry, the Air Force, and logistic pilots for years.